Is it also positive if we invest in cooperative and gold?
Sa cooperatives, most of the time, yung business model kasi nila is that they get the money from the shareholders and then they lend it to the members also. So para siyang bangko. And that's why sa cooperatives, the dividends that you're getting as an investor is higher. So if you think about it that way, if you join a cooperative with the intention of investing your money, it is okay because you're getting more na dividends. Sa gold naman, maganda ba siya na investment? Well, yes. Gold kasi is considered to be a safe haven, especially during times of economic burndown. Hindi maganda yung takbo ng stock market, people sell their assets and divert the funds papunta sa gold. Why? Gold is a scarce resource. And some people say it is God's money because it is only limited and siya lang yung makagawa nun. We can mold it, but we cannot make it. And when there is scarcity in the market and when there's demand in it, tataas yung kanyang value. But then again, it does not automatically mean that when you invest in gold, when you invest in cooperatives, automatic aakyat yung value niyan. There will always be up and down moments in investing.